Alrighty, coming back with another football break. Got this one for Chris. Chris K. What's up, Chris? Talk to you on the email, man. You picked box 84, 2010 for Reds football. Here we go, buddy. 4 hits and 24 packages. Oh, yeah, it goes this way. Century Legends, Steve Young. Base, Century Legends, Len Dawson. I don't think the non-shiny ones are numbered. Got something here to $2.99. Aurelius Ben. Aurelius Ben jersey. I'll be right there. Sean Weatherspoon, a rookie, number to 250. Jason Pierre-Paul, rookie. Century Stars, Brian Ehrlichey. Trendon Holiday to 250. Base. Here's a dual piece. Art Monk. Back in his Jet days. Number to 200. That's cool. Rookie of Riley Cooper. Here's a hit. It's going to be number to 440, Damian Williams. Letter patch auto. There's the autograph. Link. Alright. Century Stars, Reggie Wayne. Triple, Reggie Bush, Drew Brees, Marquise. No number. Running backs, Priest Holmes, Ray Rice. No number. Jim McMahon, Jay Cutler. No number. Alright, Chris, I think we got 1 or 2 hits left. David Reed, rookie. Trent Williams, rookie. Vincent Jackson, that's number to 100, 88 of 100. Antonio Bryant to 250. Century Stars, Chad Johnson. I think we got one more hit at least. I can't remember. I got a stack of stuff over here. Oh, here's one. Shea Hodge, rookie autograph to $4.99. Oh, we got another one. Nope, never mind. Gridiron King. It was stuck to the decoy. Jim McMahon. Another Gridiron King. Lem Barney. Alright, Chris. 2 packs left, man. Sean Canfield. rookie. And last one, empty, will be rookie of Koa Nisi, rookie. Alright, Chris, there you have it, man. I forget where the fourth hit is. Oh, there it is. I found it. It was the first one. There we go. So it was Art Monk, letter patch, another 2 autos. And alright. But that'll do it, Chris. I appreciate it, man, and we'll see you later.